So over here you can see that I have a person's picture and the eye appears to be red. That is because of the camera flash. And if you want to go around and remove out this effect, then you can see you can utilize the red eye removal in Adobe Camera RAW as well. So to do that, over here on the right hand side you can see that red eye is an option. So over here you can see that there's red eye and pet eye option as well. So for pets you can select this option, for humans you can select the red eye. Once you do that, you can simply drag around the area where you have the red eye, and then it detects out the eyes as you can see and corrects it out right here. So let me just go around and zoom in, and you can see that this eye has been corrected. Let me just drag around over here as well, and you can see that that has been corrected as well. You can change around how much you want to darken right here. So you can go around and choose around the darken greens just like this, and change around the pupil size as well. So you got the settings as you want. So you can go around over here, select this, and change around the darken greens right here just like this, and see how is the effect right here just like this. If I were to go around and change around the overlay, you can see that this is now corrected over here. So now if I were to go around, you can see that this is how red eye can be corrected by using Adobe Camera RAW. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.